Today I am creating a tribute to a true icon, Nelson Mandela. His life story is one of courage, resilience, and the relentless pursuit of justice. As I work on this sketch, let's explore the inspiring journey together. Mandela was born in 1980 in South Africa, a place divided by deep racial injustice. From a young age, he saw the pain of inequality and felt the need to make a change. In his 20s, he joined the African National Congress, speaking out against apartheid, a harsh system that separated people by race. Taking this stand wasn't easy. It came with a lot of sacrifices. Mandela was imprisoned for 27 years because he refused to abandon his dream of equality. Just imagine, 27 years away from family, friends, and freedom, but Mandela's spirit remained strong. During those years, he strengthened his resolve and his commitment to justice grew even deeper. In 1994, his dream finally came true. Mandela became South Africa's first black president, guiding the country towards unity and peace. As I add detail to his face, I am reminded of the strength and wisdom in his eyes. qualities that inspired millions. This portrait isn't just about capturing his likeness, it's about honoring the incredible legacy he left for all of us. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Mandela's life teaches us that true change is possible when we have courage, compassion, and the determination to keep going. If you enjoyed this tribute, please like, comment, and subscribe for more inspiring stories and art. Thank you.